Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add portfolio in Asana. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Asana account, which of course you have done right here. And then the next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your Asana account. Very simple. First, launch your browser, any browser of your choice. And then locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type asana.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Once you get to the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. But once you're done creating your account successfully, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Asana. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's strategies how to add portfolio in Asana. Head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see home, my tags, inbox, of course, reporting, portfolio goals, and of course, your project. All right. So when you head over to of course inside reporting portfolios, go ahead and click on portfolios. So it's going to open up to this window, where you can now, of course, select how you want to create your portfolio. So you can, of course, manage the projects that you have. So click on new portfolio. And then what's your portfolio name? I'm going to title this Manage Projects. And then public to Amy space. Okay, let me just leave that public. So default view, list, you have timeline, you have workload. This is how the timeline, this is what the timeline looks like. And this is what the workload looks like. So my default could be list. Let's just leave it at list. And then go ahead and click on continue. And say start adding project to share with teammates. So I'm just going to leave it to start adding project and click on go to portfolio. Okay, so this is my portfolio and I can now add. All right, so this is manage projects portfolio. So add a project to portfolio name. So I'm going to add this project, community project plan. I'm going to click on add work. I'm going to add the next project that I have, cross-functional. So it means I can now manage these two projects right here together, these two projects in this portfolio. So this is pretty much how you can create or add a portfolio in Asana. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.